Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Wow, wow, I love what's happening here. It's raining, it's really raining very heavily. As you can see that. Wow, I love the nature. I love the nature. I love the nature. Wow, it's really raining over here. And I love what I'm seeing. Woo! I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Wow, I love the nature. I love the weather. This is my okra leaf. This is my okra tree. This is my okra tree. I love what I'm seeing here. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is my water leaf. Wow, I love this. I love this. Take a look at this flower. So pinky. So pinky. Wow. Very fresh. Very fresh. This obogoro. They use it in cooking soup, vegetable soup. This pumpkin. This pumpkin is still growing. I love it so much. Wow, I love it. I love it. It's still coming out. This is the pumpkin, and this is the leaf. Wow, I love what I'm seeing here. I love the colors.